How's it going, guys? This is Mouseball, and this is the Attack Mouse Nation, and welcome to Motoring with Mouseball. And guys, today's video is brought to you by Elite Attack Mouse Nation member and super contributor Roger Gusty, Elite Attack Mouse Nation member and super contributor J.G. Mopar, and Elite Attack Mouse Nation member and super contributor Denise Shumko. Now guys, it's very important that I make this video because Christmas is tomorrow, and I wanted to make sure I said a Merry Christmas to all of the Attack Mouse Nation and obviously tell you about our plans for 2023. Now, first off, 2023 is a very important year simply because it's the year of His Airness, Michael Jordan. And obviously, the reason why it's Michael Jordan's year is because it's 2023, and Michael Jordan wears the number 23. And right after that is the year of the Black Mamba, 24. So hopefully that year will bring in some much needed help when it comes down to the way things are going, because 2020 was horrible, 2021 was really bad, 2022 was teetering on the edge of being really bad, and trust me, a lot of things have gone wrong, I can tell you that. It hasn't been the greatest year. I mean, we lost the MAGA Mouse channel, over 5,000 subscribers, almost 480 videos, probably even more than that, and a lot of hard work that Momma Mouse and I put together. Now, we're only sitting at 85 subscribers right now, and Momma Mouse and I have been talking about putting a lot more effort into this channel and doing more automotive reviews, you know, sharing more information about the modifications and the things that we're doing, and setting it up to where you guys can actually see what we're up to and get an idea of how we're designing and actually making these things for Mouseball and Meryl. And the beautiful part is there's plenty of stuff for us to show you, and I'm telling you, there's lots of content. So I'm hoping that you guys will stick around for the new year, and hopefully you'll be very happy with the new things that we got going on when it comes down to video content, because the Corvette is on its way back. I've been driving it for the past month and a half. It's been fantastic. It's got tons of power. I mean, it's starting to need little things here and there. A brand new battery is in order, you know, a possible new electronic throttle pedal, you know, and obviously the seats and interior parts and a lot of things that we need to do to lighten the car's load, make it much lighter, more nimble, and obviously faster. But most of all, aesthetically, the car is going to look amazing. And you already know what to expect from us when it comes down to things looking good. So without a doubt, guys, plenty of great content coming down the line, and more insight on where cars are going in the near future, because trust me, things are changing so rapidly that, you know, you can't keep up with them. And me being at my tender age and Momma Mouse getting up there in age as well, you know, you just got to keep your mind focused and sharp on exactly what's going on, because if you don't, you'll end up losing track. So we're going to do just like Michael Jordan, and we're going to put our best foot forward and concentrate and focus on the task at hand. And that's giving you guys the best automotive content that we can possibly bring to you. And hopefully not just bringing you the same shows that we go to over and over again, because I mean, Momma Mouse has noticed that the content is a bit over redundant when it comes down to the car shows. So we definitely want to add more, you know, to the channel. But guys, I hope you all have a Merry Christmas, whether you're here in the States or you're over in Europe. And obviously, I hope you all have all your family and friends with you, because what's really important in this world is that you have those that you love and care about still around. Because let's just put it this way, when the time comes when we all have to endure a loss in the family or losing a loved one for whatever the situation may be, it doesn't matter what it is, anything can happen, and life is so unpredictable. And not to mention that, not just unpredictable, but people are literally crazy. They're out of their minds these days, and even the little poke of the bear can be a fatal mistake. And the thing is that when you are with your family at Christmas, remember the main thing, that they're there and that you need to appreciate them and love them, and make sure that you have Jesus Christ in mind. Because Jesus Christ, to this day, it's 2022, has still stood the test of time. Christ is still our Savior, and Christ is still with us and walks every step with us. And that's what really matters, is keeping the faith. And that's why I have wonderful people in the Attack Mouse Nation that still, to this day, keep us going. JG Mopar, Roger Gusty, our greatest and best contributor, Denise Shumko, who's done so many special things for us and who has sent us plenty of vouchers for amazing food, Christian the Murray, Timothy Downing, Batgirl. Just numerous amazing people who have put themselves out there for our benefit and have shown us love beyond anything that I've ever seen. Because as far as I'm concerned, I know people who I see every day and don't really even care about Mama Mouse or I. But you guys have been amazing to us. So guys, stay happy, stay healthy, stay wealthy. And remember, as long as Mouseball is still living and breathing, there will always be an Attack Mouse Nation. Take it easy, guys. Merry Christmas. Mouseball out.